stay-at-home parents feeling stressed out and in need of some networking with other parents who are also in business? Join me, Robin Ann Stoltman, also known as Supermom, for the High Road Leadership Masterclass. During this presentation, we will cover valuable techniques and how to value all people, give more than you take, place people above your own agenda, and develop emotional capacity. This is an incredible opportunity for you to not only de-stress and connect with other like-minded parents, but also to gain valuable insights on leadership and personal development. Don't miss out on this chance to learn and grow. Register now and join me for an insightful and empowering session, and I'll see you there. Just type in leaders in the comment and I'll get you the details.